How's everyone doing? Santa came early with my Livescope black box bundle. I saw a sale for $200 off at Bass Pro, and I had to pull the trigger early. Let's unbox this bad boy. I'm going to be using it on my tracker with an EchoMap 106 SV. I also got this on sale at Bass Pro last year for like $600 off or something. Old model, had the GT54 instead of the 56. Coupon. That's a lot heavier than expected. Let's make sure there's nothing else in here. I would have expected a packing slip. So there's our box from Garmin. What do we have? Panoptix Livescope Plus system, forward, down, and perspective looking sonar system with mounting hardware. Try to preserve the box, keep that nice. Okay, honey. Here we go, black box. I've never been on a boat. I've never used Livescope. I still have to read how to put it all together, but I'm a sucker for a good sale. So saw the price go down. Had to hop on that. Got a power network, transducer in the back, ground. That's solid metal. I thought this was going to be plastic from all the videos I've watched, but this is that's a nice unit there. Underneath that, we have the LVS module. This is the LVS34. Power cord, collars for the power cord, network cable. This appears to be the extension for that. Whole bag of extras here. Let's see what we have. Alright, the different types of mounting brackets for the sonar itself. Thumb screw. Trolling motor bracket. This is your, I think this is a 0 degrees bracket. This is the noise reduction collar. And a fat pamphlet with all the instructions. I'm going to have to go through that because, like I mentioned earlier, I haven't really read up on this like I should have before spending that kind of money. So, to go back over what was in that box, we have our mounting brackets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mounting brackets. Power cable, network cable extension, noise reduction collar, collars to hold the power in place, the LVS34, and the black box. Again, did not expect that to be this heavy. That's quality right there. Empty box, and again, powering with the 106 SV that I already have. So thanks for tuning in for that unboxing, and a Merry Christmas from the NJ Multi-Species family.